Introducing the Honeywell Top Fill Warm Mist Humidifier. The top fill design makes filling easy, and the large water tank will run up to 24 hours between fillings. Water enters a boiling chamber where it is heated to a steam vapor, producing 99.9% bacteria-free warm mist to help create a comfortable breathing environment. Press the moisture output icon to change between high and low moisture output. Adjust the humidity control buttons to set the desired level for personal comfort. When the set humidity level is reached, the humidifier will turn off and the Humidity Reached icon will turn on. To find your personal comfort level, run the humidifier on the highest setting until a comfortable level is reached. Then adjust the humidity control down, allowing 3 seconds between settings until the humidifier turns off. It may take up to 1 minute for the water to boil and steam to appear. The unit will automatically turn off when the humidifier runs out of water, and a reset light will turn on to indicate that the tank needs to be refilled. To reset, turn the humidifier off and refill the reservoir. Wait 5 minutes for the heating element to cool, then turn back on. An essential oil cup can be used with your favorite oils for added enjoyment. The oil is passively evaporated into the air. Never add oils directly to the water. For soothing relief from dry air discomforts, try the Honeywell Top Fill Warm Mist Humidifier. For more information, visit honeywellpluggedin.com.